Good morning. Myself, Sherwin, and my team members include Preetham, Ananya, and Aryan. The project of our team is mental health prediction. Before moving on to the website, I would like to brief a little bit about how we trained our model. So we loaded the data set and just overlooked the data set, how the data set looks like. From there, we got a little bit of information about which columns are actually numerical and which columns are actually categorical using the data.info function of the pandas. After this, we dropped a few columns which are named the state, S, comments, and country because these columns are not contributing much to the in determining the output of the model. So these columns were dropped. After this, we checked if there are any null values into our data set. And yeah, we came across 18 null values in self-employed column and 264 null values in work interference column. These were handled by replacing the values in self-employed with no, and for work interference we replaced it with any. All the columns having age less than 18 or greater than 60 were also dropped because these rows were also not contributing much to the in determining the output. As for the gender column, the gender column in itself had a lot of classes, more than 20 classes in gender column itself. So we condensed all these classes into three simple classes: male, female, and non-binary. All these classes were considered to be male. All these classes were directly considered to be female, and rest all the classes were considered to be non-binary. For encoding the categorical data, we used ordinal encoder because we couldn't use one-hot encoding because it would again increase the number of columns which we have, which will not be good for the model itself. We dropped the treatment category because it is the output which we are determining. We did a train test split with a test size of zero point 0.3, which means 30% of the data will go for testing and 70% will go for training. As for the model, we did a comparison between different types of models. So, and we chose the model which is giving us the best accuracy. The random state value was we got the random state value by a lot of trial and errors, and we conclude that random state equal to 49 will give us the best values for all these models. So after training and testing all the models, we realized that Adabus classifier is giving us the best accuracy of 0.864, as you can see. So we chose Adabus classifier as our final model. To increase the accuracy further, we did a little bit of hyperparameter tuning. The After the hyperparameter tuning, we got the most optimized values for n estimate as 11 and learning rate as 1.02. After again training the Adabus classifier on the best parameters after the hyperparameter tuning, the accuracy increased from 0.864 to 0.869. So this is the confusion matrix before hyperparameter tuning. Notice we have 40% here and 9% here. But after hyperparameter tuning, it increased to 41%, and this decreased to 8%, 8.5%. This is the ROC curve before hyperparameter tuning, and this is the ROC curve after hyperparameter tuning. Now I would like to give a short brief for our website which we have developed. Starting the Flask server, start the survey. I'm putting some values. Male, Australia, Bangkok, yes, I have. So yeah, the model is predicting that yes, I should take a treatment for my mental health from whatever input which is given to it by the user, and we can go back and take the survey as much as we want.